What's up, guys? Chad Black, co-founder of TheREITruth.com.
And I'm Matt Chandler, other co-founder of The REI Truth.
Hey, thanks for taking a short second to check out our 10 frequently asked questions. Hope you enjoy it. What's up, guys? Chad Black here, founder of TheREITruth.com. Wanted to talk to you today about one of our videos in our 10-part series of questions that investors, such as yourself, need to be asking and need to be aware of. Question today: what type of legal advice do I need? So what type of legal advice do I need as a starting real estate investor or as a seasoned real estate investor? Some basics that you need to know, guys. You need to get with a local attorney that knows your state laws. Now, just because an attorney has an attorney, like I've covered in other courses, just because a real estate agent's a realtor, or just because a mortgage broker or a loan officer is a broker or an officer, doesn't mean that they know what they're doing. I promise you, you might be signed. I can tell you, I can go to a doctor that, if he's not a practitioner in the field, he's not going to know what I'm talking about. You can't go to a general practitioner about cancers or a cardiologist about general practitioner sometimes. So my point is, get with someone that knows your local real estate laws. That's the most important thing here. Now, it might take a while. I remember when I first started out as a real estate investor, gosh, we probably met with at least 7 different attorneys. Some of them would tell us that they knew what we were talking about, but a lot of times we actually knew more than what they knew about the real estate laws in Oklahoma. So it might take you a while. Don't get discouraged. Look for, get some referrals either from title companies, real estate brokers, might be another good one. But the good reason to have your attorneys, guys, especially if you're doing short sales, if you're doing subject to purchases or anything like that, you always want to make sure that your contracts fit under your state law requirements, because like I said, and like all of you may or may not know, real estate laws are governed by the state, so you want to make sure you fit within your state requirements. The next thing that you're going to want to do, and again, I got to throw out this little disclaimer, I'm not an attorney, might give you any legal advice, but my opinion, and based on what I've told my students to do in the past, is you need to incorporate to be able to cover yourself for taxation, actual liabilities, and also for your business write-offs. For tax purposes, definitely get with a financial consultant, a financial advisor, or an accountant, and then your attorney can clarify as to which way will be best for you to incorporate your business, whether it's through an LLC, an S Corp, a C Corp, if there's multiple partners. They can discuss with you the liability ramifications of it as well. Your attorney may or not also advise you to pick up some form of liability insurance or whatnot to protect you in case you get into any legal troubles. And then the best thing too, again, I'm not an accountant, so I'm just giving you my opinion. The best thing about being incorporated too is all of your business deductions or write-offs. Obviously, we want to do everything here, as we always preach here at the REI Truth. Disclose, disclose, disclose. It's the same way that I am with my personal and business taxes, guys. I'm going to write off everything Uncle Sam's going to let me. I'm not going to do anything that I'm not supposed to be doing. I'm going to take full advantage of all of the tax laws and all the write-offs that I'm allowed to take as an American citizen. So, last thing here, you always want to have a lawyer. I can tell you all the time, you're going to find real estate and your momentum starting, like we talked about in other chapters. You have the big mo going for you, and people are going to try to take you down. People are going to try to be malicious to you. People are going to try to take your money, whether it's through greed, whether it's through envy, whatever the case is, people are always going to try to attack you. So you definitely want to make sure that you have legal representation in your, just in case something is to happen. I'm not trying to scare anyone into anything, but everyone always needs to be prepared. That's just the way that we are in this day and age. People are always trying to make a quick buck. So you definitely don't want to get put on the spot when you tell someone to contact your attorney and you don't have their name and number, because you really don't have one. So you always want to make sure that you have a lawyer and you have someone that's going to represent you for legal counsel. So again, thank you for taking the time to check us out. www.thereitruth.com. We want to hear from you. Give us a call. Send us an email. As we say here at the REI Truth, if you don't want the truth, Just go ask a guru. Hey guys, Chad Black here, co-founder, thereitruth.com. Thanks for taking time out of your busy day to view our website. Hopefully the 10 frequently asked questions and the 10 facts that you need to know are going to be a benefit to you. Let us know on the website at theitruth.com what you, the real estate investor, need help with. And again, as we say here at The REI Truth, if you don't like the truth, go ask a guru.